Adding a TradingView chart to the Groww app is a simple process. First, ensure you have the TradingView app installed on your device, available for both iOS and Android. Customize the charts in TradingView according to your preferences, selecting different financial instruments, time frames, indicators, and drawing tools to analyze the market. Use TradingView charts to assess the performance of stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, or other assets you're interested in, employing technical analysis tools and chart patterns to identify potential entry and exit points for trades or investments. Since Groww and TradingView are separate apps, you'll need to switch between them to execute your trades or investment transactions. Utilize the insights gained from TradingView charts to inform your investment decisions on Groww. Once you've analyzed the market using TradingView, open the Groww app and navigate to the section for buying or selling mutual funds or other investment products. Follow the steps within the Groww app to execute your desired trades or investments based on your analysis from TradingView. After making your investments through Groww, you can continue to monitor and manage your portfolio within the app. Regularly review the performance of your investments, adjust your portfolio as needed, and stay informed about market trends using tools like TradingView.